Hello little gems and welcome back to my channel. I'm really confused. I haven't ordered anything from Prism since my yellow bird, and I normally wait till my next payday after I get my last kit from Prism to order my next kit from Prism. So I haven't ordered anything to get anything, so I'm so confused right now because honestly I've got a yellow bird which I only opened last week, so I don't know what's going on at all. I'm so confused right now, it's unreal. So I don't know what's going on. I'm so confused. And yeah, so I've got this package from Prism. And yeah, I'm it doesn't take much to confuse me, but I'm really confused right now. So I'm going to open it up and see what's inside. And I've messaged Adele and said I'm so confused right now, but I've not had a reply yet. And I'm messaging my two friends and like, oh, just open it, see what it is, and then, you know, and I'm like, I'm so confused. But yeah, it doesn't take me much to get confused and everything else. But yeah, I'm so confused right now. Is there anything else inside the box? No. So yeah, I've got obviously a kit from Prism. And it's a big kit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm going to cry. Because I know I can see what it is. I'm going to cry right now. It's a gift from Adele and Joe at Prism. And obviously, they didn't want to tell me about it to surprise me. And they've just sent me, obviously, it's meant to be a mystery, but it kind of just throws it at ya. I'm speechless. I'm welling up right now. It says a gift from a friend, but it says, I assume it's from Adele and Joe. I'm absolutely and utterly gobsmacked right now. That is absolutely stunning. I don't know if it was from Adele and Joe or what. I don't know what to say. But I've just obviously been sent this gorgeous diamond painting, this mystery kit. Obviously, it's not much of a mystery because it's kind of staring me in the face. Because obviously, it's a nice close-up of the cat, so it's obvious to me what it is. But it's not like it's one of those mystery kits that you don't know what it is. But I'm gobsmacked right now because wow, I can't believe I've just been sent this absolutely stunning kit. And obviously they know that I'm trying to do stuff, trying to get bits together to give to my local cat rescue, and this is another one I can do for my cat rescue, my local cat rescue and everything. I can't believe it. And we've got 55 colours in this. So we've got, yeah, 55 colours in this. Is absolutely crazy. And Yeah, I don't know what to say. I'm gobsmacked right now. I know some of you are thinking, wow, that's a first for her. But I can't believe it. It's absolutely gorgeous. But the fun part's going to be is, I don't know what the colours are going to be. So that is still a mystery. I don't know what colour the cat's going to be. And like, obviously the only symbol that actually really ever sticks out to me is normally when it's a thing, and I bet that at is normally, yeah, 310. So the only thing I know is the at is a 310. And the rest, obviously, I don't know what colours are going to be. Oh my gosh. I'm absolutely gobsmacked right now. So yeah, we've got our 310s. Obviously, no kit, because I always say no tall kits now. I have no idea if it was a Dell. It must have been a Dell and Joe. But then I can't say it was their Dell and Joe because it wasn't a Dell and Joe. Which I reckon that must have been. I'm absolutely gobsmacked. I'm absolutely gobsmacked. I'm normally the person to give gifts, not to receive gifts. You know, I'm that person. I'm the one that normally gives gifts, not receives gifts. Right, so this is our 310s. As always, look absolutely gorgeous. Yep, I'm actually on screen. This is going to be the worst unboxing ever because I just don't know what to say. I don't know what to say, but apart from thank you so much, because you've made this plonker here gobsmacked. So yeah, so here's our 3865s, absolutely gorgeous again. And we'll go for another. This is going to be a terrible unboxing, so I'm really sorry. It's going to be the worst unboxing ever. It really is. It's going to be, I'm sorry, it's going to be the worst unboxing because I just don't know what to say. I'm really shocked right now. I'm absolutely and utterly speechless. We'll go for some 225s. And there we go. Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I'll show you a nice close-up of the kit as well. I can't, obviously it must be for me because it says a gift from a friend. And obviously my name and address was on it as well, so it's not like Hermes has just dropped off here with someone else. So if I am getting my wires crossed and it's not from a Dan Joe and it's from someone else, please let me know so I can actually thank you properly, because I'm absolutely and utterly gobsmacked. I'm going to get this video edited before I get that up tonight instead of the video I had planned. This is Monday and I plan to get it out today. Absolutely gorgeous drill field. Absolutely stunning. Really is gorgeous. And yeah, it is one of those mysteries that it's not so much a mystery because obviously it is very clear to see on what it is, you know, but that's what happens when it is a close-up of one thing. If it was something with loads of different things in it, and then, yeah, it would have been more of a mystery, but because it's obviously one thing. But to be honest, I love this. I'd rather have something I can see what it is and I'm going to love, which I'm going to love this, because I can see it's a kitten with paws, and obviously there's something else going on here. So I don't know if it's like a gap in like a fence or something. That's what my brain's telling me. But yeah, it is absolutely stunning, and it's going to be, I can't remember last time I did a mystery kit. So yeah, it's definitely going to be a fun kit to do, and the drill and the symbols are all so clear, easy and everything. And I'm trying to think what to say, and I just don't know what to say. I sound like a right plonker right now, and I'm actually emotional and shocked and can't believe it. And yeah, symbols, quick look at the symbols and everything. Nice symbols, nice and easy to read. And it doesn't, oh, one, there's going to be one, which actually I should be able to distinguish. 2 equals. So on the canvas, that looks like the thicker. So I had to keep an eye on that. Try and distinguish the thicker equal to the thinner equals. Because we've got 2 there. So yeah, that one looks bigger than that one, to be honest. I can't find... There isn't, oh, there's only 16 of the little ones. And then there's a whole lot of the bigger ones. So yeah, there's not many of the thinner ones. So I reckon the thinner ones will most could be maybe around the eyes or something. I personally reckon must be around the eyes, maybe, or in the ears, or somewhere like that. It will be the 3747, so there's only 16. So there's not too many to worry about. So I should easily be able to spot that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. But yeah, apart from that, all good symbols. And everything else, which I'm happy about. And this is going to be such a fun one to do. I can't remember the last time I did a mystery. You lot mostly saw the back of my head then. My messy hair. But yeah, I honestly, I can't believe this. I am absolutely gobsmacked. I really am. I don't know. I don't know. I honestly don't know. I'm gobsmacked. So this is going to be the worst unboxing ever. I apologise about that. This is me raw, not knowing what to say, and all stuff like that. But yeah, thank you so much, honestly, from the bottom of my heart. I really do appreciate it. And if I love it too much, then the cat rescue won't get it. I'll be selfish and keep it, because I need some more on my walls. But yeah, so that is it for this video. I actually don't know what else to say. I'll show you a nice close-up and everything. Hopefully you see it all nice and in its full glory and everything. But yeah, thank you so much for sending me this. I'm so shocked and gobsmacked and everything. Whoever you are, if it isn't Adele and Joe, if it's someone else, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it, and you've got me speechless. You really have got me absolutely gobsmacked. I can't believe it. Thank you so much. And yeah, let me know who you are so I can actually personally thank you. All right. So that is it for this video. I'll show you a nice close-up and everything. And thank you ever so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe. And I apologise if this unboxing has been a hot mess, because I wasn't expecting it at all. that's how you get Gemma like acting like a right plonker when she doesn't expect things. So yeah, thank you ever so much for watching, and I shall see you all next time. Bye everyone.